Hi, my name is Andrew and I'm going to make a review of the new model of Alexander Karavaev and his whistle workshop's whistles. This is a new mass-produced model. I have several of them for review, 4 different keys, E, E flat, D and C, and 2 versions, the plain aluminum and an anodized whistle. I've been playing them for about a week for now, and I'm not exactly completely used to them, but I have a little practice with them. So first of all, what was unfamiliar for me, and not what I'm used to, but which might be even better for some of the players, is the pressure. The pressure is quite low. You spend moderately large amounts of air blowing into the whistle, especially in the high parts of second octave, but it's nothing to worry about. It's not too much, but it's quite easy to play because of the low pressure, so it's not so demanding on maintaining correct pressure. So the second part is the sound. The sound is extremely pleasant, and I was really surprised with hearing that from a mass-produced whistle. The pitch, the tuning, so it's hard to say about that because all the whistles are different and you have to spend some time getting used to everything. So at first when I tried it, I had my E was a little bit lowish and the higher part of second octave was a little bit low as well. But after a week of practice, I think it's fine now, so you'll hear it. One more thing that was unusual is the weight. So the whistles are extremely light because the tubes are quite thin, which might be actually good for some of the players who don't want to hold like a kilogram of a whistle. C natural. It varies depending on the pressure. On those particular whistles, it was better to play it. So you can play it with just 2 holes closed, but I think it's better to play it like that, something like this. The whistles with metal whistle and the metal windway causes a lot of problem when the water condenses there, and so this is not the case because the whistle has plastic head. I tried playing it in cold temperature and it causes no problem. Thank you for listening, and I hope this review is going to be helpful for you. And a special thanks to Sasha Karavaev and for sending me the whistles for review. See you next time.